Nvidia reached a market capitalization of $1 trillion as trading began in U.S. markets on Tuesday, joining a select group of predominantly technology companies. For Nvidia to maintain this distinction, its shares need to stay above $404.86. Market capitalization represents a company's value calculated by multiplying its share price by the number of outstanding shares. Last week, Nvidia's stock experienced a significant surge after the company reported quarterly earnings that surpassed consensus estimates both in terms of revenue and profitability. This boost in Nvidia's stock also positively impacted other chipmakers, with the exception of Intel, and was partly fueled by more optimistic projections than anticipated. Notably, Nvidia projected sales of $11 billion for the fiscal second quarter of 2024 alone, which exceeded consensus estimates of $7.15 billion by 50%. It has been a prosperous year for chipmakers, various sectors of the tech industry, and the Nasdaq, driven in part by the excitement surrounding artificial intelligence (AI) and the possibility of a slowdown in Federal Reserve rate hikes. Alongside Nvidia, companies such as Alphabet, Meta, formerly Facebook, and Microsoft also experienced positive performance in last week's trading. Nvidia's graphics processing units (GPUs) play a critical role in generative AI platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Bard. Although GPUs were traditionally associated with intensive gaming, the emergence of cryptocurrency mining and AI applications has transformed this perception. Consequently, GPU manufacturers and suppliers, including Nvidia, AMD, and TSMC, have witnessed substantial increases in their share prices over the past few months. In contrast, Intel, which faced inventory challenges and development setbacks, has historically focused on the market for central processing units (CPUs) and has not experienced the same level of investor interest. Nvidia's expected market capitalization would position it alongside other trillion-dollar companies such as Apple, Alphabet, Amazon, and Microsoft. Prior to Tuesday's trading, Nvidia's shares had already risen by 166.5% year-to-date.